arguing with you, Baltimore. They're gonna put me in the vacants with the.
Oh, the vacants. Oh, yeah.
Hey, look, he brought the brand new.
All GR, all fresh. GR is all fresh. What's up, my fault? All right, let me get this fixed. GR is Alpine Star down. We freshened up for 2026.
Man, that was a good ride.
What?
Good ride.
What's up, sir? All right, all right.
You rolled off from work and came straight here? You still going home? Just tell me this. They not as petty.
Frankie Beverly.
Petty last year as they had. They really wasn't. They really wasn't. Last year wasn't.
That's when I want yet.
I ain't arguing with you, Baltimore. Hey, go ahead. You ain't gotta do that. It's all you. It's all you, Baltimore. I don't want to get left. I don't want to get left in the vacants. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, so you call Uptown.
I don't want to get left in the vacants. I know what they're gonna do, Mo. They're gonna put me in the vacants with the.
Oh, the vacants. Oh, yeah, it was Snoop, and whatever dude name was.
The trench coat.
Yeah.
They're gonna leave me in the vacants.
Throw that lime on you.
Yeah.
let me get a picture. Hold on.